Let's get the ATIS, so it's already in there.
3010, sky condition, ceiling 4000 broken, temperature 24, dew point 19er, altimeter 3013. ILS runway 9er left, ILS runway 9er right, approaches in use, landing and departing runways. Runway 9er left, runway 9er center, runway 9er right. Approach are being conducted to parallel and intersecting runways, notice airmen. Taxiway Kilo, close the aircraft with a wingspan greater than 118 feet. Taxiway Lima, surface markings between the approach end, runway 9er center, and runway 9er left, not standard. Taxiway Bravo 3, surface markings not standard. Taxiway Bravo, surface markings between Taxiway Kilo and Taxiway Romeo, not standard. Tower light out of service, 1.1 mile west, 194 feet MSL. Runway 9er left, rail out of service. Caution numerous birds on and about the airport. All aircraft requesting clearances, contact ground control on 121.35. Tower frequency, all runways 120.3. Advise on initial contact, you have Zulu. Roger, taxi,
Okay, anyways, instruments on, checklist, we have wings straight level once, not twice, 3 times, ball centered once, twice, 3013 indicating 50, set once, set twice, 0 indicating 0, once, twice, and 094 set once, set twice. That really messes with it. Okay, that's our instruments on checklist. This thing should, I think once we get some RPM and some more vacuum going, it should probably come up on its own. Okay, sounds good, but... Okay, we'll go ahead and do a run up here, brakes set, fuels on both trim, set for takeoff, flight controls, up, down, up, elevator up, down, rudder right, rudder left. Okay. Free and correct. Pre-takeoff checklist complete. For ground, good morning, Skyhawk 738 Juliet Delta, spot 5, VFR to the south, information Zulu.
38 Juliet Delta, Sanford ground, maintain VFR, at or below 1,500, departure frequency 135.3, flag 0361, verify information Zulu.
VFR at or below 1,500, departure 135.3, squawk 0361, and we do have information Zulu. Looking for a minimum of 2,300 RPMs. Pre-takeoff to go items complete. Okay, takeoff power set. Heels to the floor. Airspeed is alive. Looking for 60 knots. There's 60 right there. Stop the tires. Maintain the center line. Off we go.
November 8 Juliet Delta, contact Orlando departure 135.3.
353, 8 Juliet Delta, good day.
Okay, flying read left, 645 left.
Orlando departure, good morning. Skyhawk 738 Juliet Delta off of Sanford 1,400 for 1,500, heading 110.
Juliet Delta, Orlando with a contact, maintain VFR at or below 2,500, resume navigation outside of Bravo.
Okay, VFR at or below 2,500 on nav outside the Bravo, 8 Juliet Delta.
November 738 Juliet Delta, contact approach 119.4.
19-4, 8 Juliet Delta, good day.
November 21040, contact approach 119.4.
I love that button. You guys have one extra step. Approach, good afternoon, Skyhawk 738 Juliet Delta, 2,500.
Skyhawk 738 Juliet Delta, Orlando, good afternoon. Expect on course when you're south of Orlando International.
Okay, we'll expect on course south of MCO, 8 Juliet Delta.
Orlando approach, land 21040, 2,800, 3,870.
Fence expect on course and higher in 5 miles.
Expect on course and higher in 5, 0.
Felt a strange sensation.
Take controls. Your controls. My controls. Alright, we're 15 miles out, we can start a descent, I think. Yeah, so you see that hole up there? Yeah, that's kind of what I was going to aim for, so go for it whenever you're ready. You want to try giving me vectors? I don't know if I can official to you. Yep, I can give you vectors, that'll be fine, so. Okay. I'll set this heading bug for you, where I need you to go. Okay, descent checklist, mixture rich and fuel, both, carb heat as required, pick up the ATIS, got that, altimeter is set, instruments cross-check. Descent checklist complete. Perfect. We can do our pre-landing checklist as well now, brakes, test. Good on my side. Good on my side. Landing light on. Autopilot is off. Seat belts and harnesses on. Mixture best power. Carb heat as required. Fuel both. Flaps as required. Pre-landing checklist complete. So this heading's good. What's up? Is this heading good? Yes. Yep. This is fine. Yep. Alright, so we're on the 45. I guess we right now. We keep our carb heat off. We're still plenty high on the RPM. Okay. Point. Yeah. I'm just kind of used to pulling my carb heat on descents. Dude, I'm not super used to carbureted engines. Okay. I trained in fuel injected.
Runway 5, set eject.
Got that downwind T-plane for 60 runway.
Alright, so on the 45 to the right downwind, runway 35, Marco Island. Skyhawk 738, Juliet Delta is on the 10 mile 45, right downwind, 35. Marco Island traffic, Skyhawk 738, Juliet Delta 5 to the northeast, entering right downwind, runway 35, Marco Island. Okay, give you a change your heading. Yeah, if you want to get back on the heading bug here, that'd probably be about perfect. Or if you want to go visual now too, you could do that as well. Might as well, right? Okay. Yeah. And yeah. Alright, mixture rich, carby, pull. Carby. We'll pull it in a second when we drop the load 2000. Should be good now, though. And did you want this landing? Depends on how comfortable you are from that seat, I guess. I mean, I could always use some right seat practice. Yeah, try it out. Marco Island traffic, Skyhawk Juliet Delta, right downwind runway 35, Marco Island.
Marco Island traffic, Mooney 201 Bravo Zulu is taking runway 35. We're going to do a right turn out, approach to the southeast. Marco Island traffic.
I got him in sight. Cool. Yeah, I do too. Landing light on, strobes on, make sure rich, fuel both. A little low, so. Yeah, it is. A beam the numbers. First notch. Skyhawk Juliet Delta turning right base, runway 35, Marco Island. It's so weird from the right seat. Yeah, it is, isn't it? Yeah. Second notch. Maintain 70 for now. I'll use some power probably. I'm not sure if I'll use a final notch flaps.
The operation is about to begin. The universe holds its breath at the audacity of man.
Marco Island traffic 201 Bravo Zulu is departing to southeast.
Not my best approach. Left rudder, left rudder, left rudder. Made it. Yeah. Yeah, I don't like red sea landings. Yeah. This feels so odd.
They all know.
Like, I couldn't even feel my coordination. It's weird.
Clear prop.
I'm gonna go ahead and turn us around just so we're not like in the middle of the taxiway. Yeah. Are we clear right? Clear right. Alright, cool. Alright, so our plan just to go along the coast and then. Yeah, so I was thinking like a left turn out here, and then maybe
Marco Island traffic, Skyline 182.
keep it up a little bit, you know, maybe 1,500 feet or something around this delta here. Okay. And then once we get past this delta, drop it down low here in this stretch, right through here. You know, maybe about a. There's like a 10, 12 mile stretch right in there. So like that, kind of. Or do you want to go around the delta? Around the delta, yeah. Okay. I mean, I guess we could ask for a transition through it, but yeah, we can just go around. That's fine. We can just go, yeah. Whatever you feel like doing. So. Okay, sounds good. Marco Island traffic, Skyhawk 38 Juliet Delta on the ground, taxiing to runway 35 from the fuel pump. Yeah, honestly, my instrument training, I haven't done like VFR flying in so long. Oh yeah.
Papa, 7 miles inbound from northeast.
You've got enough hood time though, right? Yeah. Yeah, so it's just cross-country time? Yeah. We'll have to do our run-up right here, I think. Not a big area, but it'll work. It'll work. It'll be fine. I'm going to kind of stay towards the grass here. Yeah. Because, yeah, there's somebody behind us there, so just make it really quick.